Greetings, everybody. So I want to give it just a quick introduction to the series that I'm going to be lecturing on. This is the book that we're going to be using. It's Donna Falvo and Beverly Holland's Medical and Psychosocial Aspects of Chronic Illness and Disability. This is a graduate level course in rehabilitation counseling. And these videos, I'm going to post them online because I use them for class. I'll post them on this YouTube channel, and you guys can use them in your classes if you want to. Part of the reason why I'm leaving this introduction is because I'm leaving out a whole bunch of chapters, and I'm doing that kind of intentionally. I'm going to be lecturing on the core chapters, which are going to be part of this series, but what I've done is my classes I've set up so that the students will be reading and presenting and teaching all this, the content on specific areas of disability to the rest of the students or to me. So they're coming in with all kinds of background knowledge and experience, and what I want to do is capitalize on that as much as I can and have them share with us and them share with me. So the point is that you guys aren't going to see that. You're just going to see me, and it's only going to be part of the book. And so I wanted to explain why that was. That's kind of intentional. In fact, I can probably figure out a way to post the syllabus or send it out to people if they ever want to use these so that you can kind of see the structure of how that's all set up. Just to give you kind of a sneak peek, they'll be presenting on the same days that I'm presenting on a few of these chapters. And they're all signing up via Google Doc, and then they pick which chapters they want to work on and who they want to work with and all that kind of stuff. And then they just kind of get ready throughout the semester and prepare themselves and read the book and do some other research and that kind of thing. And then they'll share with us what's in the content of the book. The other thing I'm going to mention is that this series is really going to follow along hopefully a little bit deeper of the context of what's going on between the families and the individuals and some more stuff that maybe isn't in the book. Because this book is an excellent book for understanding the medical knowledge of disability and some of its vocational implications and that kind of stuff. But what I want to do is extend that into the course by adding in what is this like from a therapist perspective. As we as counselors think about how does this affect somebody's mental health, their self-concept, their self-knowledge, their family relationships, their work relationships, not just the functioning on the job, but the relationships they have with their peers, and the relationship to work in general. I want to add in some more of that stuff. So some of these I'm going to probably keep kind of brief, and some of them I might extrapolate a little bit and go down these rabbit trails of stuff that has nothing to do with the book, and you're like, why the heck is he even talking about this stuff? That's why it is. So join us for the rest of it. It should be kind of fun. See ya.